Right. Let's recap. Y equals to mx plus c. Hey, this is not tested for common test too, but doesn't mean you are talking, because end of year we don't have so much time for end of year part. Okay. Now straight line, very simple. Y equals to mx plus c. What is m? Gradient. So m is my gradient. So m is like the number beside the x, right? What is c? C is the y-intercept. Oh, so you say, oh, the number without any c, that's the y-intercept. So very simple, right? A max is just nothing but y equals to mx plus c. So let's take a look at what we know now. Let's take a look at example one. So example one here, A, I'm referring to A. Now, what is the axis here? The vertical axis. Y, right? What is the horizontal axis? X, right? These are like very simple, right? It's like Emacs like that. Then you say, oh, we want to draw the line. So look at the sentence here. Plot of what against what? It is always y against x. So you must know that it is always the vertical first. Vertical axis over the horizontal, against the horizontal axis. Okay. In case you're wondering why we are going through this, because the next part is closely linked to this. Okay, so you need to know this first. Now, then, what is the gradient? Gradient equals to what? What number do you think? 3. What's the y-intercept? 4. So you say, oh, very simple. Y-intercept means it cuts at 4. And the gradient means I have a steepness, a straight line, and then the gradient is 3. So the gradient equals to 3. Where got negative? So we revise again. From left to right. If it's going upward, it's positive. So similarly, if from left to right coming downward, then this is a negative gradient. No right to left, it's always from left to right. So if left to right, a person is going down the slope, we say that the gradient is negative. If left to right, a person is going up a slope, we say it's positive gradient. Right? But we never use this already. We always use y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Right? We always use the formula. Okay? But the sign is just for you to take note. Now, coming to B, still very easy. So I look at this, definitely the axis is still y and x. Next person will help us to complete the sentence. Nigel, plot of what against what? Y against? What's the gradient? Very good. What is the y-intercept? Very. Huh? 5 or negative 5? Negative 5. So we say that negative 5 means it cuts here, and the gradient is still positive, so it's going up slope like that. So this is negative 5, and then the gradient is 5 over 2. So far, anyone got any question for A and B? Good, Good. Because this is what we have known. Now, let's look at C now. C means what? Let's say I want to draw y against x. Can you help me first? Can you help me draw another axis? Y against x. Done, Matthew? Is the axis done? I repeat again. Draw another axis and then write down y on the vertical and x on the horizontal. Now, next person suggests 2x squared looks like what? Like Matthew. 2x squared looks like what? 2x squared looks like what kind of line is that? Emacs chapter 6, the U shape. Then I have a plus 1, so can everyone draw? The graph actually looks like that. Please stop. Okay, so as of this graph here, there's nothing new. It's everything you learn. So now I demonstrate to you what is the AMAth part of this chapter. Now the A math part of this chapter is the ability to transform a curve to a straight line. So this is the A max. This is E max, which means the one, the U is nothing new. You already learned before. So how do I transform into a straight line? Very simple. I just need to adjust the axis. Now, can you highlight the axis now? The axis, vertical one, is there any change? Vertical one is the same. What about the horizontal one? Horizontal axis got change. So maybe you want to write down, do you notice that the horizontal axis change from x to x squared? Do you see that? By right, I have an x. Now I have an x squared. Okay? Do you know by changing axis what will happen to the line? Become straight. It will become straight. So therefore, the line will become like that. This is y equals to 2x squared plus 1. So the entire topic is talking about this concept alone. To make a curve into a straight. Yes. So can you write a summary? The name here is linear law. So what is linear law talking about? Linear law is talking about converting a curve into a straight line by changing the axis. Okay, end of lesson. So this is what the lesson is about. So at the end of today, you need to know how to change the curve to a straight line by changing the axis. That's all. Easy? Yeah, how come the curve now become the straight line, right? How come the curve? So now we will go into it. We will go into it. The straight line got negative. I don't understand. Oh, I think Tiffany is talking about this part. Don't worry. Later I'll talk about it. So you understand the broad idea. Now we go into the how and the why This is talking about the idea behind the topic. That also includes the y-axis. Yes, that includes the y-axis. Sometimes the y-axis will change as well. Will change as well.